Imphal West Commando team arrest miscreants involved in Thangal Bazar and Telepati bombings. All arrested remanded into police custody till December 30. Chief Minister N. Biren appeals to people not to let any external forces tarnish the centuries-old relation between Kabui and Meitei communities. And the president of Agid Foundation, Agid, denounces state cabinet's recent decision to legalize paddy lands encroached before 2014. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Imphal West Commando team has arrested miscreants involved in the bomb explosion that occurred at Thangal Bazar and Telepati. The arrested persons are Irom Thaja from Langthabal Kunja, Haino Makong, Kundom Thoibi and Ngangom Roshita from Awang Lekin Thabi, Ilangbam Inaubi from Kairak Mayay Lekai, Moirangthem Ratan from Kakching Moirangthem Lekai, Sandham Ibomcha from Kairak Khongnang Lekai, Thiam Roshan from Singjamai, Jingamakha Ketri Lekai, and Paunam Manikanta from Jirigat, Lakhinagar. Speaking to media at Imphal West SP office today, DIG Them Thingsat, investigations on the Thangal Bazar and Telepati bombing started on October 27. He said, acting on a tip-off, a team led by Imphal West Commando OC under the supervision of Imphal West Additional SP Operation along with Patsoi Police, including women personnel, arrested PLA active cadre Irom Thaja along with 5 other suspected PLA cadres on December 19. Further investigations led to the arrest of Paunam, Manikanta and Roshan, who were the main culprits behind the Thangal Bazar and Telepati bombings yesterday by a combined team of Imphal West Commando led by OCP Achoba and 15 Assam Rifles personnel. Manikanta has reportedly confessed to have carried out the October 1st IED blast at Kakching Khongnang Mari Phangba, October 27 IED blast at Telepati and November 5 IED blast at Thangal Bazar. All the arrested persons have been remanded into police custody till December 30.
So far, all in this gamut of games of this investigation, the whole gamut mi ama ni na toba natti. Ashida ekoina torak bashe ekoina weapons recovered toba correlate toba she FIR shishu uhumari shui. Case ki matang shida ekoina mi phakat ba shishu, it's hana 10 already arrested ni. Handak shida muga 8 persons arrested ni. So total 18 persons have been arrested. Yes, ekoina shu khangi some hardcore guards she muga arrested todri. We are still on the lookout, but I just want to reiterate the fact that our investigation is at a very advanced stage and we know the detailed game plan of IED bomb blast Obishi. We are aware of it and we just want to say that we are in a very advanced stage of investigation and will be submitting a charge sheet at the earliest.
Chief Minister Nongthongman Biren has said Manipur will develop only when both the hills and valley regions are equally developed. Inaugurating the 2-day Diamond Jubilee celebrations of Kabui community settlement at Namdunglong village in Imphal East today, Chief Minister N. Biren appeals to people not to let any external divisive forces affect the sacred ties existing between the Meiteis and the Kabuis since time immemorial. The Diamond Jubilee celebration was held on the theme Peace, Prosperity and Unity at Namdunlong Community Hall. Speaking further, Chief Minister N. Biren claimed that the present government has settled various long-pending issues in the state. He further wished for a harmonious conclusion of the Indo-Naga peace talks. Biren expressed firm belief that Manipur will become a peaceful state without any issues in the near future. Biren assured that the government will provide all possible help for developing Namdunlong village. He was given a warm reception by the villagers in their traditional attires. At the onset of the event, Chief Minister N. Biren lighted the ceremonial flame. Later, he also unveiled a Diamond Jubilee monolith. Cultural dance and songs performances by the village youths enthralled the audience. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Wangkai MLA Okram Henry, Tamenglong MLA Samuel Jendai and many eminent persons attended the event.
kabui salang maiba ekoi ipai pugi ekoi na bhap tarak pada magi importance mana lauram ba Manipur gi lainga gonda oruga Manipur gi khanga hi gi partam da lauram ba madu gi role hujik simadu kauna rakpa dong na tawbra aduga kauram ba gi mo ningsang no patong na tawbra amadi tawre aina pambadi marak ta lakpa nungsin na hummaga puhun gum se koi igi senga ba ekoi relationship to hummaga manghan gum se hai bine aina thamingi every part of the world the historical mistake like kita bam ta like better future amagi damta dekhoi madu puna mukto ngakpi ba kauthongna ba masange valley da leiriba kabui gi chilina khunji khoi marfu ni thoi mukki mathakta lei ai khoi ga dom anga oringa degi khoi imung dongna khoi korengai kabui khunda ga leiri ga khoi gi imung dongna dum leire khoi adugi setup to khoi kahen gumse
Golden Jubilee Steering Committee organized the 112th anniversary Golden Jubilee celebration of Unapal village in Technopol district today. Technopol MLA DK Korunthang and many people attended the event. Speaking at the event, MLA DK Korunthang urged church leaders to guide youths in the rightful path, maintaining that the state government is taking up measures to bring welfare. He appeals to village chiefs and villagers to come together and avail the benefits. Villagers reminisced on the origin of Unapal village on the occasion. Various cultural songs and dance performances marked the event.
Housing schemes every year, lie about the latest in the peak of the housing scheme, GCIC. Last year, this year, last year, the people on there. Ladyba, Asinata, Sakar, Sel, Tungi, Plumsi, Crow, Wabama, government policies issue, Matamatam is changed over Lapani. Sarkar cut them up over Yabanate, Kungilder Singa, Punna Saminaraga, development for Kadabali.
President of Agid Foundation, Thongam Agid, has denounced the state cabinet's recent decision to legalize paddy lands encroached before 2014. He warned the government of various agitations if the decision is not revoked at the earliest. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, T.H. Agid expressed apprehension that paddy lands in the state will stop existing. He also demanded a white paper on paddy lands encroached before 2014. T.H. Agid declared that Agid Foundation, along with people, will continue its campaign, which began in 1990 to save cultivable lands in the state. He appeals to the state government to probe into why farmers are selling off their paddy fields day by day. He opined that once the government takes measures to enhance agricultural productivity, farmers will stop selling off their paddy fields. T.H. Agid also appeals to the government to frame policy to enhance productivity and bring welfare to the farmers.
Farmers sing asida government sab saba matam mating oba machinery sing PBU sab chana farmer you want to lehen view matam to the farmers na low you ambagi wakal ti thadurakani marang kaina Saza Punjab London saying, Nasidi, Sab Tapping Matang, refugee order of Hypese, a way to see Kandamam did.
2014 gi mamang sida mantri aduga MLA officer sing mayangi lokon chaw saurba pari yakai chama yankai chama gi moi gi khopsal le habigi singna ba khoi gi thamoi da phauri phom lokhom du da stakeholder sing amog sing du unaru matam da khoi da pawdam bir sing du leibani na ma khoi yabanga moi 1990 aduga sigi mamang khara matung khara mamang sakhalak gi swaidagina 2014 buki manung da leiba lokhom sing da sagaliba singi white paper data ama yamna thuna government na khoida thambiu loksan ba yaba loksan rakanda akhoina hauji khakta da kainogi 2014 na hisi ngarang nahan khaktangi potu di masi yaba ngamoi habisi Agid Foundation Manipur dagi phongdoksan.
Lomi Shinmi Apunba Lub Laushal Manipur launched a poster campaign on let us recycle straws and make organic fertilizers at Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization DPUVO Nambol office in Bishnupur district today. Various posters espousing to recycle straws into organic fertilizers were pasted at various areas of Nambol. Speaking to media ahead of launching the campaign at DPUVO office today, Laushal President M. Churamani urged the people not to burn straws but to utilize it for producing organic manures to be used in organic farming.
lau yeba loiraba matungda lofam sida adum chaithoga manghan biraga adum thambiramba matamda gani ki weba posina oina bu honaraba matamda charu hapa ga mathang sum lakasina somda urea gi chang handarakpa DAP gi chang handarakpa charu hapani handak sahi deida mamang sahi da handak ki sahi da khudam oina lau lokhiba sideida urea bag ama lau sangamam da hapase charu du chaithoga thanamagadi mathangdadi urea kg kun mangadang hapa yani charu se masi lau yeba.
A consultation program on human trafficking for police officials and other stakeholders was held at Hotel Classic in North AOC today. Manipur Alliance for Child Rights MACR, Sanlap Kolkata Child Rights and You Cry along with Manipur Police organized the event. Chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission Khaidem Mani, IGP Zone Clay Kongshai, Sanlap Secretary Tapoti Bhonmik, MACR convener Montu Ahantem and representatives of various organizations attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Khaidem Mani said that human trafficking is a brutal crime. He stressed on the crucial role of police, civil society organizations and NGOs in curbing human trafficking, which mostly involves forcing men into labor and women into prostitution. Khaidem Mani said the Manipur Human Rights Commission can extend help in various ways in punishing human traffickers. He said that as per the law, recommendations of the commission should be abided by the police and the authorities concerned. He called on Child Committee, Child Commission, Police and Manipur Human Rights Commission to join hands in curbing human trafficking.
Commission singse masi mere recommendation body nate recommendation si in the yada before money high court na tariba court na tarif se me si faru natraga chaya sultan di pire hai je a kind of recommendation natro state na pangtok ta kamduni human right violate to sing se state na protect to gadamni human right violation di state forces na state ki authority na adugumba kutta khulai shakti le ra kangbu amana michamgi right mangan basa masi bu human right violation na aduga lanai a na b bu phu ba sei ba hat pado adudi human right violation nate madudi crime ni adugi damukta di state na action lokka kadoina.
Ahead of Amokok's International Meitei Pangal Convention to be held tomorrow, a meeting of the attending delegates was held at City Convention Center in Palace Compound today. Muslim delegates from Manipur and abroad, including those coming from Bangladesh, attended the meet. Speaking on the sidelines, Amokok President SM Jalal said tomorrow's convention is a crucial one for Meitei Pangals. He said the resolutions taken during the convention will be apprised to the government to be converted into actions. SM Jalal said that academic discussions on plausible resolutions will be held during the meet.
Antonganba khoi mafam sing adu da lariba pangan sing adu ki delegate members sing na khoi mafam du da lariba pangan chilinau sing mete pangal chilinau sing gi oiba leliba livelihood makhoi culture moi day to day life moi lariba life ki punsi mahing na singba punamak ado mayam da paudam bibaga loina na akhoi delegate member punamak na makhoi de gi khoina khangningba bagi khudong jaba ma akhoi ngasi gi numit asida akhoi oigadori furup asigi masagi top identity amasung masagi top culture अखोई मालेम द ngak tuna khoi thamna bagi damakta chetpa firep lomin nabaga loinana makha tana khoi hayeng pangthok kadoriba convention asida akhoi recommendation ama akhoi puthokani.
Huge quantity of poppy plants worth producing 40 kg of opium were set ablaze today. A combined team of Singat Police Station personnel, SDO Jameson, Hang Sing, Churachandpur Police Station Additional SP Operation, Lawrence K. Munlo, NA personnel including Women Police, District Administration and District Police destroyed the illegal mass poppy plantation at Bongbal village under Singat subdivision of Churachandpur district. The poppy plants were found cultivated over a stretch of 8 acres of land. While acting on a tip-off, a combined team of Kaching District Commando and 39 Assam Rifles recovered 214 contraband Macodin syrup bottles during a search operation at one Thokchom Ongbi Yengkhom Sharmila's residence in Kaching, Ningthau on December 16. Kaching Police Station has registered a case under NDNPS Act. Upon investigation, it came to light that the seized drugs were supplied by one Shyam Maitei from Thanga Chingkha Laikai. Kaching District Police in a press release said that Thokchom Ongbi Yengkhom Sharmila was an overground worker of proscribed KYKL. Legal experts opine that there are many loopholes in the Manipur Lokayukta Act 2014, which was implemented on April 1, 2016, to curb misappropriation of public funds and corruption. Chairperson of Manipur Lokayukta, Justice T. Nandakumar, has appealed for cooperation to make the act effective. A special report.
Associate Professor of LMS Law College Dr. N. Pramod said the Manipur Lokayukta Act 2014, which was formed to curb misappropriation of public funds and corruption by Chief Minister, MLAs and government employees, has one major loophole. He pointed that Act cannot be regulated until and unless someone files a complaint to process misappropriation.
Lokayukta Act 2014 Manipur State Assembly na pass tawgiba Act sidaida yamna inherent oiba khara award pati adum yaubra haina khale sigumba yamna serious oiba public administration gi level awang bla to corruption sing asi ekoina machi miyam gi khudong chadaba se koina kano tawge address tawge hairagati the complaint to why was yam lui when the complaint to door is open for the public, whoever intend to do laga yagani complaint to yani hai the same that practically the madu yam lui atopa statutory body lairiba the minus a human right commission naro mana tawrisi complaint laga suma tawi complaint lagtra sumasana fangwe information masana tijan bai ai adugumbagi port sing asi Lokayukta Act the yarum da basina Swaisi da kitang pitfall da malabra machine in due course of time the Lokayukta da people get access to na bada samna bada mata da ho baklai maram di complaint mata wife se arrive nate complaint ama high official gi corruption tawri ba kangbu gi mayokta wakat pai base panayam na effective ba kan ba institution am da woiraga su people gi mindset di madu nina ta da ba moy madu ni ho ba malai se.
Dr. N. Pramod was speaking at the one-day state-level legal awareness program on the implementation of the provisions of the Manipur Lokayukta Act 2014 today. Manipur State Legal Services Authority, in collaboration with the Lokayukta Manipur, organized the program at the auditorium of High Court of Manipur.
Complaint to Gada Mida, Kayam Yam Nakataibu protection, Pibage, Hariba Singasi, complaint Taurena Kalasi, citizen Amana or villager Amana Noaita, but they give a complaint to Renkalasi, Manatoriba complaint, a Chawang method the complaint open. Other than a minute Nagataba eventualities, they say, why the secure with the port Wakalo the lay, Maduhan, the Mu Zingahana Kali, Aduga, I complaint to Kari where Kadagi have a port Kali, Madugi protection, see, where Central Act, whistleblower protection, a kind of lady, Mayam see. Haidok tabida moigi sep protection pinanabagi kanglon mayam lai haidib sing si Lokayukta Act 2014 da mayek sing maduga relevant madi makha protection legadam ni haiba port se masim ju pandabra haina khale madu pallagadi complainant to somehow one way traffic waraga su complainant to gi safe secure report leiragadi citizen je soidanamaki they will come forward lakani ba madu malai tabanina people da apprehension namalai.
Panel advocate of Manipur State Legal Services Authority, C.S. Momon, read out paper on Prevention of Corruption Act in the context of Manipur at the event. He also pointed out certain provisions which he felt need amendment.
My suggestion is that Section 19 must be amended to give legislative effect to various legal authorities of the Honorable Supreme Court, and if there should be provision for deemed sanction if sanction is not decided by the competent authority within 3 months. My suggestion is this must be incorporated in the PCA so that PCA can be effectively implemented.
Chairpersons of Manipur Lokayukta Justice T. Nandakumar stressed on the significance of a special court. He also called upon the media to spread awareness on the Lokayukta Act. An introduction session was also held on Manipur Lokayukta Act 2014 at the program.
Asagi complaint method na tabida complaint I have a decision I have a sigati media la kaga punguk hiragati So complaint to ya habit ama tampi basi I think we start from the low item.
In making the people aware what is Manipur local, what is their functions, how can they help them. To make the people aware what is the Manipur local. I'm repeating again, I want to have the pulse of the peoples why there is a desire of coming to the Manipur local. One of the special court is to be notified as a special court of the Manipur local. So the recommendation will be required from us which one is to be declared as special court of the Manipur local. I said our team, myself and two honorable brothers, we have been discussions. Which one is to be declared as a special court of the Manipur local? After taking into consideration of the number of cases pending before the different special court of the Manipur local, we have recommended the special court Manipur is to be declared as a special court of the Manipur local. For declaring that, as you know, under the Constitution of India, this administration and control of the judiciary is by the High Court. Therefore, the permission is required from the High Court. We have requested the High Court also.
According to the experts, there are several loopholes in the current Manipur Lokyukta Act, so it is high time for the concerned authority to look into the matter by amending this act as soon as possible. And also, it is necessary to organize a mass awareness campaign for the people to understand the Lokyukta Act 2014. With camera person El Kabi, this is Ketamim Premsan reporting for Impact News, Imphal.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on two-day national seminar stressing on the need to revamp libraries in the state. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Two-day national seminar on the theme Libraries at the Crossroad, Revamp, Innovate and Make Sustainable began at Manipur State Archives Hall today. Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata, the Department of Art and Culture and Manipur Library Association jointly organized the event. Speaking at the event, Director of Arts and Culture A. Shivdas stressed on the benefits given by library. He assured that the government is taking necessary measures to revamp the libraries in the state. President of Manipur Library Association K. Chauba and Executive Director of NILIT T.H. Prameshwar attended the event.
Chile Yangure, Mori Salude, Sanapati Chile, Lady District Library, Malaysia. How do you see Hoigi stop later? Library main poor later. Adamu, Arigi Library, Hoigi Lady Bug, and Ossing issue, and Pazana start to later, run down the Sigi Posi, Uja, Nazare, Adamu, when Yamdrabada, when of Zanazaribasi, Yamdrabada, Assistant Librarian Namaga, Arigi Etienne, Amoga, LDC Amaga, Sabita, Kamaga, minimum the money Maga, achieving shape, Tamagadi. Madu library sing just library yagani haina when madu khanjaraga when 2021 ke budget ta hoi hai missing adu hoi point toroga library sing adu back tawu ya na poni ko hoju khanna ko khonajari base.
Two novels and a poetry book written by members of Iramdam Miyamgi Apunba Khorjay Loop Imakol was released today. A storybook named Hey Nungshiba Karigumba Dashu Nangna Kanadasu Ashumna, written by Kuraijam Nimaicharan, a book based on religion and culture titled Hiai Rol, written by Yashkul Khwairakpam, and a Maite Mayek poetry book called Nongju Nangshe, written by Chingangbam Sangai Jaubi, were released in the event held at Manipur Hindi Parishad Hall. Member of Sahitya Academy General Council, Professor Joda Chandra Sanasam, Sahitya Academy awardee Dr. S. Lanchenba, President of Sea Waves Manipur S. Tomba, and Imakol President Dr. R.K. Gunachandra took part in the event. Seventh-day Adventist Church, Sanjentong and Jenims Blood Bank jointly organized one-day blood donation camp at Kingsway English School, Sanjentong today. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Gangmei Angam said that the camp was organized to collect blood to save lives in times of emergency. Around 40 volunteers from the church donated blood at the camp held for the third time.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯑꯌꯦꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯗꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯆꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯣꯕꯦꯜ ꯀꯣꯁ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯅꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ 7-day Adventist Church ꯁꯟꯖꯦꯟꯊꯣꯡꯒꯤ mi 40 mukna ngasi donate tawduna leibani Christmas lakpaga oinana khoi Christmas ki season dasu khoi church ki tarap tagi karim ta su pinangai leite adubu khoi members mayamna harawbaga loinana ai khoi isa gi unit ama masi pire hairaga khoi mayamda seba tawsi haidana khoi sinjaraga ngasi se pangthok sabane
BJP Churachandpur district has organized Advent Christmas celebration cum reception program for the newly elected president of BJP Churachandpur, Khaipau Haukip at Boljang village. Leaders of BJP Mahila, Yuva, Kishan Mandal, civil society organizations, KIC, PTI, chairman and members of ADC Churachandpur attended the event. Now the sports news. Tidim Rao Athletic Union Thrao FC will battle against Real Kashmir FC in their first home match of the 13th I-League season at Kumalampak Main Stadium tomorrow. Speaking to media, speaking to Impact News ahead of the match today, Thrao coach T.H. Surmani said that Thrao FC faced defeat in the 3 away matches due to the entry of new team coach and lack of enough practice time. He expressed firm belief that his team will achieve victory starting tomorrow's match. Speaking to media, Real Kashmir FC coach David Robertson said Real Kashmir FC have gained inspirations from the first home match played with Kolkata's famed East Bengal FC. He assured that his team will strive their best to earn full points in tomorrow's match.
Coach amana hanna pairamaga Brazil coach amu lakto 1 week khitang matam phangiba aduna formation jing asai coach amana to formation jing mana to formation jing khitang change tawgiba adugi potu de khoi da khitang problem ama oiga to second khoina last match is bengon ga sanam de khoi yam improve oi hayeng gi match da de khoi anga gi performance better performance oiga dran khalle sanadab su yada ba kaino da khoi ji point mo phangdi match som sanabda aduna hayeng khoi yam kanna angang sing sananab su hai gani du den khoi hayeng point je khoi lomnab su hona gani khoi kano da
We obviously look forward to it. We haven't played for, I think, 2 weeks because of the weather in Kashmir. We couldn't play, so everybody's ready to get going again. A good result at East Bengal. Not many teams will go there and get points, so we just need to continue again tomorrow. Trow's going to be a tough team. Obviously, they've had a difficult start to this season, a bit like ourselves last year, but it's always difficult to step up to this league, so I'm sure at some point Trow will turn it around.
Arrangements are all set for the pre-quarter final matches of the 62nd Sir Churachan Singh K CSI CBE Memorial Invitation Football Tournament. In the 19th match of the tournament played at Imphal Polo Ground today, Nisa Thamaiban beat UKB Churachandpur by 2-1. For the winners, A. Hirojit and Maurice Papatu scored 1 goal each at the 39th and 68th minute, while Lamtiam Lal scored 1 goal for the losing team at the 44th minute. While in the 20th match, Muvan Lai Athletics Kangpokpi defeated YUFC Tangray Ukrul by 2-0. For the winners, Luning Thang Kipgen and Thangko Bet Kipgen scored 1 goal each at the 11th and 87th minute. 32 football teams, including 2 football teams from other states, are competing in the knockout basis of the Invitation Football Tournament held under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. There will be no match tomorrow. Klasa Kaino will play against Nako Nambul Mapal in the first quarter final match on December 23. Manipur Cycling Association held its annual general body meeting at Manipur Olympic Bhavan at Kumalampak today. M. Prithviraj was selected as the new president of the association at the meet. Regular coaching classes for rowing, canoeing and kayaking is underway at Takmu Water Sports Complex at Moirang in Bishnupur district. Altogether, 60 boys and 27 girls are taking part in the coaching classes held under the aegis of Bishnupur District Canoeing and Kayaking Association. Among them are 16 rowers, 38 canoeists and 33 kayaking players. Senior coach K.H. Indira and PET and Lakshmi NIS are the instructors of the coaching class. Bishnupur District Daiso T.H. Tomba and District Association Secretary R.K. Kedasana, along with the eminent members of the association, have also inspected the condition of the sports complex. Speaking on the sidelines of the inspection visit, Bishnupur District Daiso T.H. Tomba assured to take measures to start regular practice lessons at the complex.
लोयन फरे अदुगा सिदे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की कनेक्शन लेत्रा लंबेन सिमा सेमगा अदगी सोंगी खोलि मयाम से तौरगा मसी आइना गवर्नमेंट की प्लान दा खितंग हाइनिंग बामना सिगी मयाम से सेमगत कदब पोचे अथुबा मतमदा आइसु रिपोर्ट अमा सबमिट तौरनी डीसी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अदगी डायरेक्टर स्पोर्ट्स लेरिबा पोट मयाम से सिदा सबमिट तौरगा सुमाइ सुमाइ तौइ आई ब्रीफली अमा आई सुमाइना सिगी मतंग सिदा लाक्सबस दai निंसिंग जरी
प्रोसेसिंग की साइट हाइनिंग बदी हाइरिबसी याम थुना रन तौबिबा अदुगा लोयना फिल्ड सिगी एरिया सिमा याम थुना my distance yaunaba honnabiba yam tuna tobeo akoi sadaroi singda sanabada atuk amuk hena nungainaba kinu kaki the already yare distance aduga rowing ki distance yaudaba ona su ma yam sing tobira kanda ngasi phamji Manipur sarkar gi maikeida puning chingsinaba yi waphamji aina thamjari.
President of Meitei Council Moray M. Thoiba kicked off Pongal Cricket Tournament 2019-20 at the playground of Moray Sunrise Club today. Speaking on the sidelines, M. Thoiba said Tamils began their settlement in Moray since the year 1969 and they have been celebrating Pongal festival by holding various sports events. He said the Pongal Cricket Tournament was kicked off as a part of the festival. President of Tamil Sangam Moray V. Shekhar and President of Hill Tribal Council Moray Joseph Ginsey Lungdim attended the event. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Imphal West Commando team arrest miscreants involved in Thangal Bazaar and Telepati bombings. All the arrested remanded into police custody till December 30. Chief Minister N. Biren appeals to people not to let any external forces tarnish the centuries-old relation between Kabui and Meitei communities. And the president of Agid Foundation, Thongam Agid, denounces state cabinet's recent decision to legalize paddy lands encroached before 2014.